is something off topic, pero I just want to ask lang. Do you think what's going on right now in the world with the war, is it gonna affect some of the international girls in the pageant? Kasi 'di ba parang Middle East, what's going on?
I'm sure it's gonna affect, but napakarami pa rin ang beauty pageant girls. I mean, when I was last here, we talked about how difficult it is na may Miss Universe na ang gulo-gulo.
Correct.
But it did not affect the popularity
Totoo.
of beauty pageantry. At
In
least here in the
fact-
Philippines, ang dami nilang
In
sumali.
fact, people who weren't aware of beauty pageants or they thought it was outdated,
Yes.
bumalik sa kanila, di ba?
Because of all the controversy.
Yes.
So I'm sure there will be affected participants. Siguro hindi mo na magpapadala, but it doesn't mean it will be scrapped out.
With
Yes.
that,
Together.
I want to follow up lang. What do you think should be a political will of a candidate coming from the Philippines when it comes to that? Kasi mahirap yun. You can't
Mahirap
take
to get into
sides.
politics.
Hirap,
Yes.
pero you know what? A lot of our pageant girls nowadays are encouraged to at least say something. Encouraged.
Yun nga eh, oo.
This wasn't the case before. Like ako mismo
Correct.
nagsasabi, don't talk about politics, don't talk
Neutral
about
ka lang,
religion.
diba?
Oo.
Usually, oo.
But now, parang people don't find it comfortable kapag they're so closed off. They would rather na huwag ka naman tipong aktivista na inaaway mo lahat.
Oh, wag
It's
naman
gonna be
ganon.
difficult because may mga sponsors and then you go to the
Yes.
local provinces.
You burn bridges with other countries.
Exactly.
No want.
Pero
Oh.
ako I would really prefer, like if we had a candidate na papadala natin internationally, girls, you talk about corruption, you talk about
Yes.
empowerment in the Philippines,
Yes.
you talk about climate change. Like now is your time to start talking para lahat ng attention sa Pilipinas ay hindi lang dahil magagandang mga babae.
Correct.
You know, these are chances na dapat tinitake ng mga international representatives natin, hindi lang para ipakita yung kultura ng Pilipinas, pero kung ano yung dapat changes na nakukuha natin dapat.
Totoo.
Yes.
Napakalaking platform.
And the substance of our women.
Yes, I was gonna
diba?
say, it's more meaningful if the answer, if a candidate has more substance or depth to her answer instead
Totoo.
of just remaining neutral. I feel like there's more of an impact. And
Totoo yun.
again, you're not only representing yourself, you're representing your country. So dapat you should be siding with the things that will benefit your country.
And also, it's an opportunity for the